On 1st of January 2023, I promised that I'm going to share something special with all of you. What's that special? I promise that I will share a journey of a special member of KSJ Teaching, All India Rank 48, Muddasir Aqdas from West Bengal. So let's hear him, what he has to say, what he has to suggest you guys, and how you can get motivated from this video. So do watch the video till the end without missing anything out, right? See you guys.
Hello everybody, this is Muddasir Aqdas and I have secured an All India rank 48 in CA Inter December 2021 examination. So when I started my studies for CA Inter examination in January 2021 only, I was searching for different kinds of teachers on the YouTube itself, and I was getting too many recommendations from outside also. But I could not find that much of maybe attraction from my within towards those teachers. So I did not take tuitions of 5 subjects, and for 3 subjects I did take tuition. So I was doing costing, I remember, in the month of February, and I just got stuck in one topic, and I referred to YouTube, as most of us would definitely do. So I referred to YouTube, and there I landed up at the KSJ Teaching YouTube channel. I was just blown away by the fact that this person is teaching on YouTube channel for YouTube, because he is an extremely quality teacher. He has got so in-depth knowledge of the subjects that he teach, like costing and FM Eco. I remember I did not take the whole lectures of his from costing, but definitely I took like I watched all the videos from 1 to 80, I think 80 something videos he has posted on YouTube channel of economics for finance. So that was great. That was just great, incredibly great. One more thing, let me tell you one thing. When I landed up on the channel, I just thought कि ये तो कोई मतलब ऐसे चैनल होगा, because we always tend to think that फ्री के जो चैनल्स होते हैं, जो फ्री के जो लेक्चर्स होते हैं, वो ऑब्वियसली उतने सक्षम नहीं होते हैं. लाइक टीचर्स जिनका कुछ होता नहीं है, वो ये सब करते हैं. वी नॉट थिंक सो, but I was proven wrong. I was wrong, totally wrong. That was a blunt slap on my face, because the way, the kind of teacher he is, his voice, the way he teaches, the in depth, the way he goes too deep into the subject, that is just great. So economics for finance, I remember I took an FM2, yeah, FM2. Both the topics, FM and economics for finance, I did from him. All the lectures I watched, yeah, even his notes that he used to give, like the PDF or whatever notes he used to use in the lectures, YouTube lectures. I used to write them down, and truly speaking, I swear I did not refer the book at all. I just referred his notes, whatever he gave on the YouTube. For first time learning as well as last time revision, I did not refer anything else, and truly speaking, I got 78 in FM Eco, and costing I got 84. I think huge role he has played in that, for me to get more than 75 or 80 in both the subjects. So I thank him a lot for this. He has been really helpful for me towards this. Now, one short message towards you all. First thing, to don't be judgmental, don't be pre-judgmental. Don't think that this person has uploaded free lectures and free lectures of the whole subject. This is going to be a rakas, a bakwas thing. So that's not truth. That's not the truth at all. I would suggest first, just go and look at his lectures, man. He is just beyond anything. I think if you just go there and you see those lectures, you're going to fall in love with him, the way he teaches. I thank KSJ Teachings, KSJ sir, for providing free lectures on YouTube for so many Indians and so many people out there who are not being able to afford high price classes, which are extremely high priced. I thank him for that. And lastly, I would say one thing only, that if you really think that you want quality education, if if you want quality education at a minimal cost, at a reasonable cost, I would say, see, 20,000 is not even reasonable. So at 5,000, at 3,000, at 10,000, if they're giving you, and again, on YouTube channel, his lectures are available free of cost. I think that's great. I think that's great. You must refer to it, and you must go and have a look at it. You will definitely love it. Thank you very much.